Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Cyber Dioxide. In the last video, as you have seen, the conditionals that are very important topic in any programming language. Without conditionals, you cannot basically make decision in any programming language. And now it is a time to get started doing some projects and getting started with some practical work. I am in this video showing you how you can make your own safe vault and allow user to do something and disallow and deny someone to not to access that safe data. The project is going to be very simple based on whatever you have learned in previous videos, so hang tight and make sure you grasp all the concepts of this video because this video is going to be very practical based on what you have learned. Without wasting further more time, let's get started. First of all, create a new Python file name project1 project safe vault. This is the objective of safe vault. First of all, your program should ask for the user to input the name and the password. If the username equals to cyber and the password equals to dioxide, your program must say access granted, otherwise it says access denied. And when the access is granted, the user should be able to add two numbers, otherwise your program won't make any sense because it is just verifying the name and password, right? If you don't want to add this, it is your own personal preference. If you want to do something else with it, it is your own personal preference, but the main goal of safe vault is this. First of all, we need to take a variable in which we will take the input and ask for enter username, and now I will take the password enter password. All right, so it is saying me to format the file. After entering password, what was the next thing is we need to say that the password name equals to cyber and password equals to dioxide. All right, let's do it. So far so good, everything is making sense. I asked for the input to enter the username and then password in the input function. And then I asked for the name, if the name equals to cyber and, which is a logical operator that we have studied in the past, and password equals to dioxide. If any of this statement is false, it will say access denied. And then for exit, I did this. And now let's run it. Enter username. If I enter the cyber and password as dioxide, access granted. Excellent. And now let's run it again. Enter username. I do something else. Hacker dioxide. Access denied. Even if you type it in the lowercase letter, it will still deny it. It must match each and everything. Let's run it again for the final run. Access denied. Until and unless this is not uppercase C and D, it will keep denying it. And now you can add calculation to it if you want to add, like take another two inputs in which you want to add two numbers, take A and B and then print the addition of them. If you want to add them, it is on you, but the main goal was to make this simple safe vault. Hope you have liked the video. That was it from today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.